guys, just wanted to make a long-term review of this case, this Poetic. So this type of case, this is an iPad Pro, by the way. So they do come in sizes for the new iPad, for example. This is the new iPad, 10.2 inch. So it's significantly smaller, as you guys can see. But anyways, the case that I've had the longest has been this. So this is over 2 years old right now, and it's been doing really great. So the highest that I've dropped my iPad by accident has been 5 feet, and that hasn't been on concrete floor. It's been on hardwood floor, but still, it's happened several times, and yet no cracks or dents on my iPad itself. And luckily, since we have this coming out from the iPad quite a bit, it has protected the screen. So no cracked screen so far. So far so good. The only thing I can tell you wear and tear wise is that right here we can see a little bit of a crack happening. So there we go, that's wear and tear. Here we can see a bigger crack. Again, this is rubber, so I can only show you the crack if I press on it. There we go, or else you won't really see it. This is after 2 years. It did happen maybe because of the falls, plus when you take it off and put it back in, it does flex out the rubber. As you guys can see, there's no dents on my iPad itself, but of course right now this crack does get in the way. So if this falls again, this will come down and it will have some impact on my iPad. So that's the bad thing about this, but it just means I need another case for it. This is an iPad Pro, but new case for it, that's for a regular iPad, for example, it's exactly the same. So you will notice here, it's the exact same. This is a brand new case, so that's why there's no wear and tear from it. But I had to get another one, another sample, just to see how it handles itself. I will test it out, but I already know how it is because I already had this for a long time. But I just want to show you that it does come for this size. It's the same thing really, and I really like it because again, once you guys are getting cases, if you're planning to get a case like this, just make sure that this comes out from the screen just a little bit, so this hits the ground before your screen does, okay? And that's what you want from one of these guys. Anyways, would I recommend it? Yes, I like it. I think the only downside with the new iPad case right here, so this is the brand new iPad that just came out from Apple. Although it's compatible with an Apple Pencil, they didn't make this little thing where you guys can insert the Apple Pencil on the new one. That's the only downside. Other than that, I like it. Anyways, that would be it for this review. I highly recommend the case. Go ahead and use it. I don't recommend throwing around your iPad anyways. Those are just being accidents that happen over time. But anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write it down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.